everybody. Welcome to Kiana's Fit Cooking. Okay, I read all of your emails. I know everybody wants healthy recipes. Well, today's your lucky day. This is a brand new segment, and I'm so excited to introduce to you celebrity chef, winner of the Iron Chef competition, and the executive chef at the Renaissance Club Sport, Eldon Pico. Hollywood Air Kiss.
Thank you, Kiana, so much for having me. I am so excited to be here and show some really simple, healthy cooking to our viewers.
Great. What are we going to cook this morning?
This morning we're going to cook brown rice pudding, breakfast brown rice pudding with some fresh blueberries, toasted almonds, and a little bit of cinnamon and some stevia, which is a sugar substitute. No calories and all natural. It's actually a plant extract, so it's really healthy. Get your complex carbs in the morning, and we're going to start going with a little bit of soy milk, about a cup of soy milk.
Okay, and can that be the low fat, or is it flavored, or any of the above?
You can do whatever fits your pleasure, actually.
Okay.
You can do low fat, you can do
I like
vanilla
the vanilla.
soy.
Yeah, that's good.
That's one of my favorites also, but this is actually just your standard soy milk. Then we're going to heat that up.
Okay, and how you heat it on high or medium?
You want to heat it on a little bit high heat so it kind of gets it to a rapid boil, and then at the same time, while it's heating up, we're going to add 1 cup of soy milk to 1 cup of brown rice.
So, okay. And you know what's so great about this is you can use up your leftover brown rice that you had from the night before, or do what I do. I'll make 1 pot of brown rice every Sunday and keep it in the fridge.
Exactly, and then for every day on the week, you can do a little something different with it, make a salad, make some breakfast dishes, what have you, and it ends up being a really nice staple to your diet and healthy.
Now, all of the recipes that we're going to be showing you in the Kiana's Fit Cooking segments take 10 minutes or less, which is great if you're a busy person.
So what we're doing is we're kind of stirring the soy milk and the brown rice together.
That already looks good. I'm already impressed.
And that's going to be cooking for just a few minutes.
Okay, now what's that?
We have a little bit of cinnamon. It's about a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. We'll dump that in.
So this would be a great alternative to oatmeal in the morning.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. So we'll just let that cook for a few minutes, and then right now we'll add a little bit. This is actually a teaspoon, and we're adding about a teaspoon of stevia.
And I know we were talking earlier, stevia is actually sweeter than regular sugar or Splenda, so you want to use less, right? Is it half the amount less than regular sugar?
A little bit less than half, almost like a quarter amount, because it's very sweet, 100% pure from the stevia leaves, and just like other sweeteners, you use always a little bit less than sugar.
And this would be a great dish to have before you work out because of the complex carbs in the brown rice and the fruit sugar. It'll give you a lot of energy to get in your morning workout.
Absolutely.
And you could even put it in a Tupperware, a little container. Yeah, put it in your gym bag. There you go. Okay.
So now we're at a boil, and we're just going to let this cook down a little bit.
Okay. Now, does the rice get softer from cooking it in the soy milk?
It does. It does. And it also becomes creamy as you're stirring it. And that's the goodness of it, actually. It's like the creamy, sweet, delicious breakfast. And you're not even getting the sugar, except for from the fruit. So
now remember, everybody out there, all of these ingredients can be easily found in any grocery store. So whether you're a viewer in Germany, India, the Philippines, anywhere in the US, these are ingredients that you can find in your local grocery store. Oh, that smells so good. I wish you could smell it at home. It's kind of a cinnamon, vanilla. It does smell kind of like an apple cider, too.
Yeah.
Like a cider. Okay, and then what do we have here? Is this mint leaf?
Yeah, mint, we use that to, I have it in ice water because it kind of crisps up the herb a little bit just for presentation's sake. And I'm serving the brown rice with the blueberries and this dish with a little side of strawberries. So you kind of get a little more fruit, besides just the complex carbs. You have your blueberries, high in antioxidants, and then you have your strawberries on the side, just to kind of complement it a little bit.
Now, I know those of you at home can't see this, but it's really boiling. He's really got this milk and rice and cinnamon bubbling quite a bit.
You can see the steam though, so
yeah.
I'll kind of tilt it a little bit.
Get a little facial. And all of the recipes will be posted on the fitmomtv.com blog and the Kiana.com blog as well.
And then what we want to do is we want to wait till the end to throw in the blueberries and the toasted almonds because the blueberries will get overcooked and get soft and mushy. And for me, my personal taste, I don't really like that. I like to kind of feel the crunch of fresh blueberries. And the toasted almonds, I always like to feel the crunch of that also. I don't like them to get soggy.
That's a good point. You want the texture.
Yeah, the texture.
So you've got the creaminess of the pudding with the crunchiness of the nuts.
Exactly. And right now I'm going to add in just a little bit of lemon zest. It's about a half teaspoon. So this is about done. I'm going to throw in about a half cup of blueberries.
Looks so good.
I'm just going to give it a nice light stir.
Now, how do you know when they're just soft enough but not overcooked?
Just enough to kind of warm the blueberries through.
Okay.
Is my rule of thumb.
I know some fruits or vegetables change colors when you cook them. Is there a way to tell? Do they get darker or shiny or?
They get a little bit darker.
Darker, okay.
So what we have here is a beautiful.
Oh, that looks fabulous. Look at that. And the presentation's really nice too, and the colors.
Yeah, the nice kind of golden brown with the dark blue.
Yeah, looks beautiful.
The red of the strawberries on the side. Awesome.
Got to have the right presentation.
I'm pretty big on presentation, so. Let me get a little bit of the toasted almonds.
You just toast those in the oven?
Toast them in the oven for about 350 for 7 minutes.
Okay.
Throw it on top, and then we're ready to go.
Let's try it.
A couple tasting spoons.
Okay.
Awesome.
Just lift it up here.
Here, I'll hold it.
Okay. I'm gonna get the perfect bite. I like blueberry, almond, and the brown rice. Cheers.
Awesome.
That is excellent. Thank you. Well, there you go, everybody. A delicious meal you can have for breakfast or a snack. We'll be back with more recipes that you can do in under 10 minutes.
I want some more of that.
For this delicious recipe and many more, visit fitmomtv.com and Kiana.com.